Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into something massive, powerful, and absolutely jaw-dropping: the 2026 Caterpillar D22. A dozer that blends brute strength with refined technology in ways that will surprise even seasoned operators. When Caterpillar brings out a new machine in its D-Series lineup, the industry takes notice, and this D22 is no exception. Designed for large-scale mining operations, heavy construction sites, and projects where only the toughest equipment can survive, the D22 steps into the scene as a machine built not just for raw muscle, but also for operator comfort and long-term efficiency. This isn't just another piece of iron rolling across dirt. It's a statement that Caterpillar intends to push boundaries for years ahead. Take a moment to picture the exterior of this colossal beast. At first glance, the design screams Caterpillar tradition with its signature bold yellow paint, massive steel body, and the iconic CAT black and white branding prominently displayed. But when you look closer, you notice the 2026 styling cues that bring a sleeker, more modern feel. The front of the machine is dominated by a gigantic blade engineered for both aggressive earth-moving and fine precision grading. The new multi-shank ripper at the rear is a reminder that this machine is not built for easy work. It's here to tear through the toughest materials with confidence. The grille is redesigned to provide maximum airflow to the cooling systems, ensuring the machine keeps running smoothly even under extreme mining conditions. From the front, the stance is intimidating, with high ground clearance and broad steel tracks that hug the earth with unshakable grip. Moving around to the sides, you see the true scale of this machine. The track frames are reinforced, the hydraulic lines are more accessible for service, and the side panels have been refined for both ruggedness and style. Swinging to the rear, Caterpillar's design team has given the D20 a bold, functional look with heavy-duty counterweights and a tail-end structure that screams durability. Every angle of this dozer shows it's not just built for a job, it's built to dominate every job site it touches. Now step inside, because this is where Caterpillar proves that operators don't have to sacrifice comfort to handle power. The cabin of the 2026 Caterpillar D22 feels more like stepping into a modern luxury SUV than an industrial machine. From the moment you climb up the sturdy access steps and open that wide, solid door, you can tell this interior was designed for long shifts without fatigue. The operator's seat is fully adjustable with ergonomic cushioning, heated and ventilated options, and suspension that absorbs vibration even when the machine is cutting into the hardest ground. Surrounding you is a cabin sealed against dust and noise, with climate control that can handle extreme heat or frigid conditions. Caterpillar has invested in technology here, with an all-digital display replacing traditional analog gauges. This touchscreen control panel is bright, easy to read, and fully customizable, giving operators instant access to performance data, GPS guidance, terrain mapping, and maintenance alerts. Joystick controls replace the bulkier levers of older models, providing smooth, precise handling with less operator strain. Visibility is improved with a redesigned glass layout that gives a clear, panoramic view of the blade, tracks, and surrounding environment. Integrated cameras feed into the in-cab display, so blind spots are virtually eliminated. Storage compartments, Bluetooth connectivity, and premium sound insulation make this cabin a space where even a 12-hour shift feels manageable, even enjoyable. But looks and comfort aside, the real measure of a machine like the Caterpillar D22 comes down to performance. Under the hood lies Caterpillar's latest high-efficiency diesel engine, engineered to deliver both massive horsepower and reduced emissions to meet strict 2026 standards. This engine cranks out an incredible surge of power, pushing the D22 across tough terrain and giving it the muscle to move mountains of earth, rock, and debris. Fuel efficiency has been improved with smart load-sensing hydraulics that adjust flow based on demand, ensuring that no drop of fuel is wasted. The transmission is fully automatic with advanced electronic controls, providing seamless shifting and power distribution across the tracks. What this means in practice is that operators don't just get brute force, they get a machine that feels intelligent, adapting to conditions in real time, whether ripping into rocky ground, pushing massive loads of soil, or fine-grading a construction site. The D22 maintains smooth, steady performance. Asterisk on large mining projects, this dozer shows its true colors. Its blade capacity has been increased, allowing more material to be pushed per pass, which translates to faster cycle times and greater productivity. The ripper is designed with deeper penetration and adjustable shank angles, giving it the ability to cut through tough rock layers with less strain on the machine. Advanced traction control ensures that even when conditions get muddy or uneven, the D22 keeps moving without slipping or wasting energy. Caterpillar has also integrated smart technology like automated blade control systems, terrain mapping, and even semi-autonomous operating modes, giving project managers the ability to maximize efficiency while reducing operator workload. It's not just a dozer, it's a partner in achieving high production goals. Asterisk. Another area where the D22 stands out is durability and serviceability. Caterpillar knows that downtime costs money, so they've engineered the D22 for fast maintenance and long service life. The new modular cooling package is easier to clean and service. Filters are accessible from ground level, and diagnostic systems alert operators before small issues become big problems. Reinforced undercarriage components mean this machine can keep working for thousands of hours under brutal mining conditions without major rebuilds. Caterpillar's global support network ensures that parts and service are always within reach, no matter where the job site is located. It's this combination of power, efficiency, and reliability that makes the D22 a serious contender for companies investing in large-scale operations. Asterisk. 4. Construction applications. The D22 offers a blend of brute strength and surprising finesse. With its advanced control systems, operators can make precise adjustments to blade angles and grading depth, making it suitable for road building, land clearing, and infrastructure development. It's not just about pushing dirt, it's about shaping the land with accuracy and speed. The machine's size and horsepower give it a commanding presence, yet the refined hydraulic systems allow for delicate control, proving that even a giant can be graceful when needed. Asterisk, of course, all of this comes at a price. And the Caterpillar D22 sits firmly in the premium category. In 2026, buyers looking at this machine can expect a starting price in the ballpark of $2.2 million. Depending on configuration and options, add-ons like advanced GPS, premium cab features, or specialized rippers can push the figure higher. But for companies measuring return on investment, the performance and durability make that number worth it. When a machine can move more material per hour, cut down cycle times, reduce operator fatigue, and stay in service longer with less downtime, the initial cost quickly balances out. Caterpillar has always built machines with total cost of ownership in mind, and the D22 is designed to deliver long-term value. Asterisk. Operators who have already tested early units of the D22 report that it feels both familiar and revolutionary at the same time. The classic Caterpillar power and ruggedness are there, but the technological improvements make it a far more refined experience. Many say the cab feels more like a high-end pickup truck than a bulldozer, and the performance features allow them to focus less on fighting the machine and more on getting the job done. For company owners and site managers, the combination of output, reliability, and resale value makes the D22 an investment that pays dividends. Asterisk. In short, the 2026 Caterpillar D22 isn't just another addition to the lineup, it's a machine built to change expectations. On the outside, it's bold, intimidating, and ready for the harshest job sites. On the inside, it's comfortable, modern, and surprisingly luxurious. In performance, it's a powerhouse designed to conquer the biggest mining projects and the toughest construction jobs with speed, precision, and efficiency. And when it comes to ownership, it's a machine built to last, built to perform, and built to ensure that the companies investing in it see results. For anyone looking to expand their heavy equipment fleet with a dozer that combines raw power with 21st century refinement, the Caterpillar D22 is a name you need to remember. So when you see this giant rolling across a job, you're not just looking at steel and hydraulics, you're looking at the future of heavy equipment. The 2026 Caterpillar D22 is more than a machine. It's a promise of what's possible when strength, technology, and comfort come together in one unstoppable force. If your work demands the best, then this dozer is ready to answer that call.